Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make blue cheese dressing at home easy guide. Start by crumbling 3 ounces of blue cheese into a medium bowl, add 1 cup mayonnaise and 1/4 cup sour cream, then whisk until mostly smooth. Stir in 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, and a pinch of black pepper. Taste and adjust salt, then chill for at least 30 minutes before serving. Gather the simple ingredients and prep them quickly so the dressing comes together effortlessly. Crumble the cheese finely and measure 1 cup mayonnaise, 1/4 cup sour cream, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon white vinegar. Mince a small clove of garlic and add a pinch of black pepper. Whisk gently to combine, leaving some chunks for bite. Taste and tweak salt and lemon to suit your palate. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: I use a set of leak-proof meal prep containers that make storing extra dressing a breeze. They're perfect for salads and lunches, and you'll find the link in the description. There are a few great deals and options listed there, so take a look if you want convenience. Now let's get back to the video. Texture matters for blue cheese dressing, so try a few easy tricks to perfect it. Mash part of the crumbled cheese into the mayo and sour cream to create a creamy base while leaving other pieces intact for bite. If the dressing is too thick, thin it with 1 teaspoon water or milk at a time until it pours but still coats a spoon. Refrigerate to let flavors meld before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.